The World Health Organization officially declared on Saturday that the current multi-country monkeypox outbreak outside of the traditional endemic areas in Africa has already turned into a public health emergency of international concern. After convening the WHO Emergency Committee on Thursday concerning the monkeypox outbreak, WHO Director General Dr. Tedros made a decision at a press briefing on Saturday to sound the highest level of alert that the Global Health Authority can issue for the time being, even without a consensus of the committee.
First, the information provided by countries, which in this case shows that this virus has spread rapidly to many countries that have not seen it before. Second, the three criteria for declaring a public health emergency of international concern under the international health regulations, which have been met. Third, the advice of the emergency committee, which has not reached a consensus. Fourth, scientific principles, evidence, and other relevant information, which are currently insufficient and leave us with many unknowns. And fifth, the risk to human health, international spread, and the potential for interference with international traffic.